For a lot of us, 2022 did rough. Lots of unrealized losses in our portfolio, lots of red, prices of everything was going up, and we were really feeling it in our pockets. 2023, can and should be different for you. Make this year the year that you start to implement the right habits, the right processes, so that we turn around everything back that happened in 2022 and we start that wealth creation journey. What that looks like is that we take control of our finances. We stop running up that credit card because interest rates are very high, and it means we start stacking up that emergency fund, and it means we start building a solid growth investment portfolio. If you want to combine all these strategies and put them into play and make sure you're taking action, Profit Jumpstarter is here to support you. Me and my team, that's what we do. We help our clients to build lasting wealth. If that's what you want, book a consultation call with us at profitjumpstarter.com and let us get that work going and that wealth building happening.